Hello everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Hotmail application. So for that, first of all, you open the Google Play Store. This video is for the Android users. For the iOS user, you can tap open the App Store and the process afterward is similar. Once you open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Hotmail. So here you will not see a typical Hotmail application, as Hotmail is basically the Microsoft Outlook. So here you need to download the Microsoft Outlook, where you will be able to log in into the Hotmail account of yours. Tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. Hotmail apps allows you to send and receive emails from your colleagues, friends and other work. You will be able to send files, attachments, folders, and even schedule the email for the appropriate time of sending it. You can see the application has been downloaded. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Hotmail application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.